Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, tanan. 你好，我是莫山，是三的大家好，马上와인이 샤샤，所谓个部分cover markup Namaste. Welcome once again to When World Reacts, when we talk and we react to all things BLGL, LGBT plus related, with us and splash of K-pop, B-pop, and C-pop here and there. And whether you're watching this either on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back with Singing the Hat. We're gonna be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 5 of Sausage and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, in the last episode, we've got to finally meet Daniel, who is one of Mr. Lemuel or Sir Lemuel's new models, or new contestants in the agency, and Tony, which is again like the one that is being shipped by Jack, and the one who also kind of likes Jack, but in a romantic yet platonic way, because he already accepted that Jack won't even entertain him. Like, he's pissed about it, but yeah, like I think they're gonna have some moments together in the series. We will have to see if they will be having moments, because I really do have a feeling they will be another side couple. And yeah, like towards Jack and Thomas, nothing much has happened to them just yet. Yet Thomas had almost spilled to Jack that he was the one who sabotaged him during the first episode with the Mr. Universe International pageant. So I just know that more drama will be spilled there once they come through. And yeah, like Sir Lemuel is still getting the money and the cash prizes that Jack did in the competition. Hey, Sir Lemuel is such a fucked up bitch. We left off on the last episode though, with Jin and Jarrett becoming a little bit low-key together, because Jin is becoming more and more fond with Jarrett's presence. So we will see how the relationship is gonna take further, as well as Jack and Thomas and Daniel and Tony, if they will be a couple starting this episode. And yeah, again, if you are watching this on YouTube, if you want to watch my bigger screen reaction to the episode, because I can only make the screen a little bit small, and of course with the NC scene, since I won't be including them on the YouTube version as well, please head over to my Patreon via page and mine. Links in the description below. If you are watching this on my Patreon, please do enjoy the uncut and bigger screen version of this reaction. Wala patagalan, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reaction to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. This, once again, episode 5 of Sashes and Hearts.
Ano yun? Ano pa nga ba? Kriminal ka? Ninakaw mo yung first kiss ko!
Oh, that's
Paano
his
ako
first
naging kriminal?
kiss.
Ha? Susumbong kita sa polis. Oh, gusto mo ibalik ko?
Uh-huh.
Andiyan na yung driver natin, magpapahatid ka.
Opo.
Sige po.
Ikaw kriminal ka? Huwag kang makalapit-lapit sa akin. Ipapapulis kita. Bitawan mo ko.
Wala bang goodbye kiss?
Ipapapulis kita.
Hoy! Jarrett!
Parang isang panaginip, dahil sa'yo'y naniniwala. Parating ang oras na mabilis at ibabalik. Grabe ka, feeling ko parang pelikula.
Pelikula.
Ulitin man dahil nang sa paraiso.
So,
Kotong buhay, ikaw lang ang nakahanap. Sipak dahil sa'yo, hindi ko inisip.
oh.
Parang magkimkim.
They're having sweet conversations. Good for them.
Sa mundong to na mapaglaro, at ikaw na nga, at wala kang kawala. Dahil sa tingin ko'y tayo pa rin, at di ako napapaisip na kung wala kay walang sisay, walang halakha.
This song is good though. This song is really good. They really say OST. Oxen is producing OSTs now. Good for them.
Guys, thank you so much sa lahat na nagsuporta sa akin sa pageant. At syempre dito sa mga nanonood sa akin live, maraming salamat po. Dax69?
Doc69.
Wow, thank you so much po sa gift. Ang laki po niyan, grabe.
Okay.
Thank you so much po. Guys, sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa akin dyan, sana may imbitahan niyo po yung mga kaibigan niyo na supportahan din ako sa pageant. Lagi po ako nag-live dito. Sana lagi niyo po akong masuportahan.
On a daily basis.
Si Jared, naka-live.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yan. At
Uy, Jared!
Dax69.
Doc6.
Uy, Jack! Andito ka. Uy, kamusta?
Wala, nakaka-entertain talaga show.
Grabe ka. Maraming salamat sa suporta mo sa amin sa pageant, ha. Nag-effort ka pa talaga.
Well, I'm supporting besties.
Wow! Ang ganda ng kissing ng baby brother ko!
Ate, maganda lang ang panahon. Ang sarap ng agahan. At ang gundo-gundo ng odi kong yun. Oh, sino bang hindi magiging masaya kung ganun, di ba?
Huwag mo ko sinacharot. Alam ko yung mga ganyang ngitian. Dahil sa tao yan.
Hindi.
Isblok mo na, dahu.
Wala,
Islok.
ate. Wala namang makakapagpasaya sa akin agad no. Sa chat lang. Wala naman. Wala.
Eme mo. Ikaw pa. Oh,
Oh.
ano yan? Kita ko, kinikilig ka habang nagtatype. May text.
Hindi, narong send lang ate. Narong send.
Patingin,
Wrong
na
send, huh?
Dinilit ko na.
Ay, Eme ka, hindi ka nagdi-delete.
Dinilit ko na. Wala na.
Akin na, babasahin.
Sige, abutin mo. Abutin mo. Di mo maaabot nga yan, kaya huwag mo na kuhanin.
Sige na.
So, are you going to the sponsored visit later?
Wala naman akong choice ma, di ba?
I talked to Dolly and she told me kung saan gaganapin yung Aces of Kings International.
Saan?
It's going to be in Thailand.
Thailand. Big place.
Alam ko pag nagpunta ka doon, you'll be seeing him.
Who's him? Your ex?
Ano? Gusto mo ba mag-quit na lang ako?
Hindi yun ang sinasabi ko.
Ma, pag nakapunta ako doon, ibig sabihin may narating ako. Ibig sabihin nanalo ako. Hindi kagaya nung sabi niya sa akin na wala akong mararating.
Wait, is he talking about the
I just don't
mentor?
want you to get hurt again.
Mom, I'm still hurting. Alam ko kayo rin. Parehas tayo.
We have each other. Yun ang importante.
Thank you, Mom.
Ito na yung mga damit mo.
Uy! Thank you ah. Gabala ka pa.
Siyempre.
Oh, for your bestie.
Salamat talaga ah. Dami ko ng utang na loob sa'yo.
Talaga. At saka mahiya ako nga yung brief mo butas-butas.
Presko.
Ha?
Ito talaga. Pero bes, may eyebags mo, ang laki-laki na. Pagod ka na naman. Record pa ba yung workshop nyo?
Uy, kailangan ko pumunta.
Oo naman. Teka, hindi ka pwedeng mukhang zombie doon. Teka dito nga. Conceal natin yung eyebags.
Yeah.
Sa!
Aha. I don't think this is not scripted anymore. I'm not sure if I've heard that there are
Ano yan?
real life partners. I'm not sure.
Thank you, best.
I'm not sure. I just heard it somewhere, but I don't think it's true. I don't know.
May racket ka ba mamaya?
Wala, so patambay muna ako dito ha.
Bahala ka dyan. May team building kami ngayon. Buong araw yun.
Ako ba okay lang? Tsaka kung di ako magtatambay dito, bibili ako ng mga brief mo kasi nga tas butas yung mga brief mo, ako nakakahiwa siya.
Uy, wag ka. Kahit ganun yun, marami may gusto makita nun ha.
Oh my God! Look who's here! The famous Jack. I'm Jennifer. You must have heard of me. I'm pretty sure of that, right? Di ko
Who
alam,
are you?
ganyan ka pala kabango in person. I mean, and that body of yours. You must be working out so well kasi look at that figure, oh. My God!
Uy, te, makahawak ka naman. Tao yan, di yan poster.
Bakit ka ba nangengeelam, ha, Tony?
Oh.
Tingnan mo ko.
Of course, my dear. Jennifer knows about everyone. Humo ka niya, diba?
Whom?
As in, hair and makeup artist ka lang naman ni Jack, diba? So, bakit parang kumakabakod ka yata? Jowa? Whatever. Anyway, Jack, maybe we can grab some coffee sometime. You know, yung wala tong aso mo.
Uy,
But don't worry. You'll see me later, okay?
Pucha.
I have to go.
Outing ka na.
Chill ka lang. Ano naman? Ganun ka na naman.
makaaso naman sa akin yun ha.
Uy, grabe naman. Pero kung aso ka, mukha kang ano? Pag.
Tawa ba ako dyan?
Ay, joke lang, joke.
Yes, joke.
Ang chill na.
Yeah, I can see why people are shipping them. I can see why people are shipping them, but yeah, I'm not sure if what I really heard was right. If they're really a real life partner. I just heard it somewhere. But it could be wrong, it could be right, you know. Fake news everywhere.
Kung minamalas ka, ano.
Okay, Jennifer.
So, andito ka pa pala.
So? Bawal ba?
Girl, ang taas mo, no? Nagtatanong lang naman ako.
Ako nga yung dapat nagtatanong sa'yo kung bakit nandito ka pa.
Tulad nga ng sabi mo, humuha ako ni Jack. Kaibigan niya ako matagal na. Eh, ikaw, linta ka lang naman na dumidikit sa kanya, no?
Girl, huwag masyadong mataas, no? Kasi hair and makeup artist ka lang ni Jack. So, hindi ka niya magugustuhan. Huwag masyadong feeling, no? Kasi nakakatawa ka. Tingnan mo, ang tanga-tanga mo pa. Girl, ako pa yung pipindot for you. Ano ba yan? Hindi ka na nga magugustuhan ni Jack. Bobo ka pa. Diyos ko, nakakaloka naman.
Baka
See, mag-aantay pa tayo
Pucha.
ngayon. So, paano yan? Sana nag-stick ka na lang sa pag-hair and makeup. Bye!
Girl, stop talking too much.
Jack, meet my assistant Jennifer, Binibining Under the Ocean 2024.
Under the
And
ocean.
of course, my apprentice, Gertrude, as in Gertrud, Gertrude.
Gertrude.
Yes.
Anyway, ready ka na ba para maging Mr. Universe Royal?
Oo naman.
That's the spirit. So, alam nyo na to ha. Oh, hi Thomas! No, it's okay. Alam nyo, you're just in time. Si Thomas here is our first runner-up. Pero kailangan niya rin mag-training tuloy. Nakikita kasi kita, Gertrude. Alam mo, kailangan
Because of
niya
the-
training dahil sa first runner-up, kailangan din yun, just in case, di ba? And Daniel from the US of A will also be joining us today. So, are you guys ready?
Hello, everyone. Are you ready for me?
Ready for me.
Are you ready? Oo, di ba? So, alam nyo dito, dapat light lang ang mood natin, ha? Okay. So, alam nyo, Jack, Thomas, Daniel, ang Pilipinas,
Daniel.
sikat kasi yan sa mundo ng pageantry.
Yes.
Around the world. Kaya dapat as early as now, puspusa na yung training na magaganap,
It is
ha?
true.
Hindi tayo dapat nagpapatalo. And, Jennifer over here, talagang ang dami niya nang na-train at lahat nanalo. Abroad, local, everywhere talaga.
Wow, nakaka-pressure naman.
Ay, hindi kayo dapat ma-pressure kasi alam mo nandito na kayo eh. You just embrace the spirit of pageantry. Dapat
is true.
i-enjoy niyo lang and makukuha niyo din yan, right?
Yes.
Right, madam? Okay, boys. So for your first activity, we're gonna do the compliment circle. You simply
Compliment
turn to the
circle.
person to your right, and then you have to exchange compliments with each other. You know, kasi as a beauty queen myself, I've experienced, having self-doubt and insecurity. I know what you're thinking. The Jennifer, with this beautiful face, na-insecure pa? I know, possible. So, let's take this moment to uplift each other. Okay, Jack, why don't you go first?
Galing mo magsinungaling, no?
Huh? Galing mo mang-gaslight.
Ay.
Nagsalita ang narcissist.
Ay.
So, ang sinasabi mo niyan, mas gwapo ako sa'yo.
Lakas
Ay.
ang pandinig mo.
Ay.
Ano yun? Hanggang tenga.
Kakaiba lang pang amoy mo. Nagpatawas pa
Are we
patawas.
really
Bagay
complimenting?
naman sa'yo yung pango. Magawa lang kaya nito.
Na magsalita. Ang baho ng bibig mo.
Ikaw nga, hindi pa nagsasalita.
Go, we're
Umaalimos
complimenting.
ang bunganga mo. Tignan mo yung ipin mo.
Not criticizing.
Payos ka nga.
Sumusobra ka na.
Teka nga. Parang mali yata yung activity natin ngayon. My God! Are you guys okay?
Ito kasi si Jack eh.
Wow, ako? Ako nga yung gusto magsabotay sa finals eh.
Magsasorry naman na ako, di ba?
Ang gusto mo, tanggapin ko agad yan?
He's
mo?
over. He's now mad at it.
Okay, sorry, Jack.
That's why he's not mad
Babawi
at
ako.
it. But now
O
he's
sige,
mad.
para mabawi ka. Suntukan mo ako.
Suntukan.
Ito. Ito gusto mo, di ba? Masakit?
Literally in front of Jennifer.
Masakit. Masakit.
Pero sarap. Pain. Go in front of a woman, literally. And in front of Daniel
Okay.
too.
All eyes on me.
What the hell?
Dito naman sa part na to, tuturuan ko kayo paano kumain ng isang sosyal.
Tama.
Okay? So first, we have to know what's in front of us. May mga iba't ibang baso para sa bawat drinks. May mga iba't ibang kubiertos para sa bawat pagkain. For example, Jack, what do we use this for?
Soup?
Ang tanga mo! Oh! Hipa mo. Bobo ka. My God. So may steak. Titingnan mo muna. Pakinggan niyo. Ayun! Ang saya-saya yung pagtripan. Okay, I always order medium rare kasi kung well done, Diyos ko, sana nagliempo na lang kayo mga uncultured swines. Sa soup, nilagay ang soup. Paano ka magkakain ng soup? Ay, no, this is mine. You have yours eh. Oo. Very good. Kailangan pa ganon. Dahil bakla.
They really have to be trained by eating well.
Pwede na. Thomas, next.
Pwede na, right?
Doon ka, Jack. Okay. May problema ka ba? Oo, kasi parang ganun ka lang, oh. Okay, sige. Ituturo ko ang tama mamaya. Daniel?
Oh, he will.
Daniel, parang papunta ka na dun sa under the ocean.
Gar, calm down.
Ba't gumaganon ka? This is the correct way. Okay? So, meron
Daniel doesn't have to do that, though.
Marami tayong mga kinds of walks. Pero ito ang tatlo. Ito ang tinatawag na BF. Balakang first.
And okay. I mean,
Okay. Balakang first. We also have the eagle walk. Eagle walk? Ito kasi medyo pambabae yung kanina. Yung eagle walk yung...
right. I mean, I see that this
Diba?
time.
Yeah. And meron yung yes walk. Because if you walk, hindi lang naman yung katawan nyo ang gumagalaw. Pati dapat nga ang muka, ang mata nangungusap. Ito ang yes. Parang... Diba? Yes. But in most cases, like ako nanalo ako dati, nung pinaghalo-halo ko yun, ganito siya. Right? Now, do you guys understand? I want you to do my BF / eagle / yes walk. The three of you, sabay-sabay.
Really?
Balakang first, eagle, and then yes, okay? Go. 3, 2, 1, go. I love it. You guys talaga are ready na for pageantry.
Dog show at malala.
Jack, gusto ko lang sanang humingi ang tawad sa lahat ng nangyari sa finals. Alam ko mali yung ginawa ko. Hindi ko rin iniisip na ganito yung epekto sa'yo.
And he's mad at just
Thomas?
now.
Hindi ko maisip na ikaw yung nagsabotahe sa akin. Alam mo yun? Kung may problema ka naman, pwede mo naman sabihin sa akin. Malalapitan mo naman ako. Pero, mas pinili mo pa akong kalabanan.
Sorry.
Jack, oo, alam ko. Kamali ako. Alam ko. May nagawa ako sa'yo. Sinsya na. Hindi ko lang kasi kayang makita na taas ka sa akin. Nasa iyo attention. Pero hindi ko inisip na ganun pala yung epekto sa'yo.
Hindi ko naman sinabing hindi kita napapatawad, Thomas.
Sorry.
Pero, sorry takes time.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin yung insecurities mo
True.
para mapatawad kita.
True.
Pero, okay. Napatawad na kita.
For now.
Pero ito yung tandaan mo tiwala ko. Hindi agad na babalik.
Oo, Jack. Pero pangako ko sa'yo. Magtututo na ako.
We'll see about that. We'll see. I don't know.
Oh, kamusta yung workshop nyo? May natutunan ka naman.
Meron naman. Kaso, nakakapagod. Ang daming kaartihan.
Kayo ni Thomas, kamusta kayo? Nag-uusap na ba kayo?
Oo. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko siya agad mapapatawad.
Dapat lang, no? Yung ginawa niya sa'yo, dapat i-priority mo rin yung sarili mo.
Yes. That's true.
Teka lang. Kamusta ka pala kanina? Kala ko ginripuhan ka na ng mga fans ko eh.
Napaka-wild ng fans mo.
And Jennifer.
Pero bago niya ako magripuhan, nakagibon siyang technique ko na siya.
Wala ka talaga.
Tsaka yung pangit na basher mo na fan, kala mo na, sino maganda? Kairita talaga.
Chill ka
Sakat
lang.
naman yung ilong.
Chill ka lang. Alam mo, kala ko sa high school lang mga bully. Pero pala sa pagtanda meron.
Truly. Mga hindi nag-mature. Pero bes, alam mo, hindi rin natin sila masisisi. Kasi baka walang mga magulang na nag-aruga sa kanila. Parang ako.
Alam mo, Bes. Thank you, ah. Appreciate talaga kita.
Uh-oh.
Nga dapat mag-thank you sa'yo eh. Kasi ikaw lang nag-iisang taong andyan.
Not gonna lie, they click together. I can see that.
Hag lang.
Yay. Wow. God, that's what you call a couple right
Hi
there.
sir, good morning. Welcome to Fespa. And here
Fespa.
we have 5 full body massage. You can take a look. We have Swedish, Shiatsu, and combination, traditional, and deep tissue massage. Also, we have jacuzzi, steam bath, and we have all amenities needed, sir. Our boxer short, and even dental kit,
Dental kits.
Yes, sir. And actually, separate push-up for male and female so that you can enjoy all of it.
Wow! Ang dami! Uy! Buti nagkaroon ka pa ng time pumunta dito.
Lagi mo naman ako nakikita. Miss mo na ako agad.
Miss mo lolo mo.
Hehehehe.
Uy! Mukhang maganda to oh. Shih Tzu massage.
Shih Tzu.
Shiatsu kasi.
Shiatsu.
Shiatsu.
Eh, etong hilot na lang.
Hilot. Hilot!
Gusto mo, mag-jacuzzi na lang tayo.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi!
Hot bath.
The hot bath, puta, hindi jacuzzi. De. Tuta.
Jacuzzi lang yan ah.
Bro, stop it yung waiting stuff. Naman. Yep, really enjoying their time in the jacuzzi.
Something I don't. What's going on? Can you tell me what it is, please? I'm not that slow, like you think. Strange vibrations in the room and
Oh, with a little bit of an ass cheeks, yes. Well, that's the massage right there, Literally on the ass cheeks. Yeah, but very relaxing, I will say. Very, very relaxing.
Saan ka?
Oh, he still stinks. What the hell?
I mean, saan ka mamaya? Gusto mo tambay ka sa kondo ko? Malapit
Guard.
na yung kondo ko.
Guard, just shut it, please.
Ano? Tara na.
Ba't saan ka punta?
Saan? Hatid kita, di ba?
Pwede ba ako sumabay? Threesome tayong tatlo.
Uy.
Please, please, hap.
Uy,
Uy.
anong threesome? Hindi yun yung ibig kong sabihin. Like, a group of 3 person. Wholesome lang naman gagawin natin. Dali na.
Just don't say threesome.
Wala nang space sa car eh.
Bakit? 2-seater lang ba car mo? Sige na nga, magbabok na lang ako. Kasi cellphone ko. Nga lang kunin ko yung cellphone ko. Sige na nga. Hoy, ano na naman pakulo yun?
Please.
Pakulo? Yung... Ihatid mo pa talaga ako.
Bakit? Ayaw mo ba?
Baka mataas kang maningil, ha?
Hindi. Kung anong service yung gagamitin.
Nako, mukhang scam yan. Tignan mo, maglalakarin mo pa ako hanggang parking. Eh, ang init-init sa labas. Mamaya mahulas pa ako, kita mo, ang fresh-fresh ko ngayon.
Ay,
Alam
friend.
mo, you're so tampuin.
Alam mo, you're so nakakainis din.
Basta you owe me.
Wala ako pang bayad ng gas.
I mean, you owe me for saving you from Francis.
So, anong gusto mo?
Not sexy time, obviously. Wow. Well, that was some tensioning.
Para gumana yung elevator.
Uh-huh.
Oh! Bless! Oh!
Oh.
Wow, bahong-baho. Parang di ka naman sanay. Ano kasi, Bes?
I love the thighs.
Dalawa kasi ang tickets para bukas. Gagala tayo. Pwede ka?
Oh.
Bukas? Sorry, Bes. May meeting ako bukas eh.
Ah, ganun ba? Ah, sige na. Tayo pa ako dito. Doon ka na. Maligo ka na.
Uh-oh. Someone's not having it. Someone's not having it though.
Landaan mo.
Oof.
Dito kami nag-stay ni Ate Cheesy.
Ito pala yung salon nyo.
Medyo maliit lang siya pero okay naman. Natitirhan naman namin kahit pa paano. Salamat pala sa paghatid, ah. Tsaka sa Landian 101.
Ba, gusto mo ng part 2.
Part 2?
Oh,
Baliw. Okay na ako.
eh mukhang wala naman tao dito ah. Sure ka? Ayaw mo ng part 2?
Ikaw, alam ko yung nasa isip mo na naman. Tsaka, kahit wala dito sa Ate Cheesy, ayoko gumawa ng kung ano-anong bagay, no?
Teka lang, wala akong sinasabi. Ikaw yung kung ano-ano yung nasa isip. Ha? Wait, oras ba? Paano ba yan? Kailangan ko na rin umalis.
Alis ka agad? Gusto mo ba mag-kape muna? O juice? O iced tea? O...
Feeling ko, pelikula, ang leading man.
Coffee, gusto mo ba?
Tea, coffee. Meron din sa bahay nun ah. Hindi pa ako umalis, miss mo na ako agad.
Aww.
Sige na nga. Basta mag-ingat ka mag-drive, ha?
Paano ba yan? Ano na ako?
Parang magkimkim ng pagkainis sa mundong to na
Mag-ingat ka mag-drive, ha? Baka gamitin mo yung Landian 101 na wala ako, ha? Mag-ikaw talaga, sabi ko sa'yo.
Yes, boss!
sa tingin ko'y tayo pa rin. At di ako napapaisip na kung wala sa Shazam.
Wow, they're just so freaking cute together. I swear to God, like, wow.
Hello, tita. Kamusta na kayo dyan?
I think that's a
Namiss ko
panic,
na po
right?
kayo.
Okay lang kami, Jack. Huwag kang mag-alala. May konting problema. Pero kaya pa naman.
Tita, sabihan niyo lang po ako kung may matutulong po ako
Anak, may mga tulong pa rin naman na binibigay yung gobyerno. Yun nga lang, hindi naman sapat.
Try ko po magpadala. Ayoko po kasi nakikita kayong ganyan.
Jack, okay lang ako. Okay lang ako, huwag kang mag-alala.
Was that Mike here on the younger brothers?
May extra kang ipapadala. Napakalaking tulong nun sa akin.
Kuya, huwag kang mag-alala sa amin dito ha. Okay lang kami ni tita. Yung ubo nga lang ni tita. Pero mababawi rin yan.
Salamat, Bunso. Tita, huwag mo na po ako gawing superhero Pero kung may kailangan kayo, kahit kano kalit po, sabihin niyo lang.
Ikaw talaga, oo. Pero alam mo, anak, maraming salamat. Alam ko namang laging nandyan ka para tumulong sa akin.
Oo naman, tita. Promise po, mag-ingat ako.
Anong gusto mong gawin ni tita, kuya? Mag-post muna sa trabaho at mag-relax? Joke lang. Pero yan, ganyan ka kuya Puro paalala.
Ganun na nga, Bunso. Tita, gagawin ko po ang lahat. Maging okay ka lang.
Aww.
Kung kailangan ko po magpadala, sabihin niyo lang po.
Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita, Jack. Mag-iingat ka dyan, ha?
Aww.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo.
Okay po, tita. Bunso. Ingat kayo dyan,
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Bye. What a loving son.
Uy. Ang Tony. Hello.
Ayo,
Saan ka pupunta?
papahangin lang.
Pahangin.
Pahangin with those clothes.
Saan ka pupunta?
Papahangin nga, paulit-ulit. Hindi mo ba ako naririnig?
Parang may problema ka. Sabihin mo naman,
Anong mo kaya sa sarili mo?
Uy!
Uh-oh.
Ito naman, Sir naman.
That old woman, a man.
Asan ka na?
Nandito pa po sa bahay
Ano ba ginagawa mo dyan? Hindi mo ba naalala na may meeting tayo ngayon with Sir Aaron? Bilisan mo na. Huwag natin paghintayin ng client.
Sige po, sir. Magbibihis na po.
Nakakahiya. Bilis!
Sige po. Sorry po.
So, anong status? Sabi ko ng haba bet mo si Jean
Ate, walang status. Tsaka friends lang kami, okay?
Friends with?
Friends lang, yun lang.
Ayaw mo umamin.
Ate, wala naman kasing kailangan aminin, no?
So, isang tanong, isang sagot? May nangyari na sa inyo, wala?
Wala.
Tingnan mo to. Sure, wala?
Wala nga, ate.
As in, wala?
As in, wala.
Wala daw nangyari, pero nag-kiss. Wala ko mga ganyan-ganyan mo, Jared, no?
Yun lang naman, hanggang dun lang.
Sus! Ano niniwala? Aray ko, sumaktuloy hikaw ko sa'yo. Hindi ako paglilihiman mo, ha?
Ate naman, sasabihin ko din sa Yusum, pero wag mo na ngayon.
Yeah.
Anong malaki, ate? Ikaw, wag mo na dinadamay yan sa mga kausap mo dyan sa social media.
With the baba cats and everything.
Alay mo, ay,
Hoy!
brother, ha? Tingnan mo, umamin ka. Grabe ka.
Na-explode.
Very good. Hindi na. Tapos na ang lahat. Umamin ka na.
Ate,
Na-explode.
Ay, pala yun.
joke lang yun eh.
Hindi na, wala nang bawian. Wala ka
Ano?
na. Puro fantasy ko na siya. Joke.
Hoy!
Ah, yan
Fantasy.
talaga, umaamin ka na, oh.
Hindi ako mapapaya sa'yo dito. Itataya ko ang pangalan ko. Promise.
Ay, hello po.
Hi. Sit down.
Sige po.
Jack, this is Doc Aaron. Doc Aaron, this is Jack. Siya ang pinaka-in-demand model ko ngayon.
Nice to meet you po.
Welcome. Actually, I ordered already. They're closing kasi.
No, it's okay. Masasarap naman lahat ng pagkain dito sa Tia Buela eh. Alam mo, Jack, kung hindi mo itatanong, Doc Aaron owns a big wellness and skincare company in the Philippines. Di ba, Doc?
Do you see my billboard in EDSA?
Yes po.
Walang retoke yun. They're all natural.
Actually po, kilala ko talaga si Doc. Nakikita ko po siya sa EDSA.
Alam mo naman siguro na big stars lang ang hinahawakan ni Doc Aaron, di ba?
Actually, you can be my brand ambassador.
Wow, I'm so privileged po, Doc.
I mean, his
I've been
skin.
launching a new product of mine, and the result is miraculous. If you want to try it, I have in my room. You want to go there?
Not in his room. Now that is very sussy. In his room. He really specified. In his room. In his room, y'all. In his room.
Sige po, try ko.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I like that.
Eee. Tada. Well, do not even exploit and extort your own model. My God, your honor. Ew. Ew. Not the smiles.
Jack, wait lang ha. May papatry ako sa'yo. Bagong formula ko.
Oh my God, Gora, run! Gora, run away. Run away from that old man.
Alika, ano? Hubarin mo yung damit mo.
Hubarin ko po?
Oo, para matry mo.
Not the harassment.
Paano mo malalaman? Para matry mo to. Bago to, para sa skin.
Although this is kind of prevalent in the industry, even in like the entertainment industry.
Try na.
Some old man lusting over
Tight ang skin mo.
over young actors,
Para
young
nga to sa
models.
skin eh. Alam mo ba, mabango pa siya.
Not specifically on the nips.
Masarap ba?
Eee. This is disgusting.
Dapat sa buong katawan to. Kaya, natanggalin natin to.
Uy! Ano ginagawa niyo, Doc?
Ew. Whatever. What a pervert old man. What a pervert old man. Like, let's be real. Oh,
It was a big opportunity for you, Jack.
Di sana sinabi mo, namamanyakin akong taong yun.
Bakit kung sinabi ko, papapayag ka, ha?
Hindi ako makakasama, kuya. Marami pa daw bayarin, sabi ni tita eh.
Gusto ko sana lumabas kasama yung mga friends ko.
Ang kasama. Gusto mo? Isumbong kita kay tita?
Saan ka pupunta?
Pinapunta mo ko para mamili ng damit sa araw ng birthday ko na kinalimutan mo?
oh, on his birthday. Very, very interesting. On his birthday. On his birthday, y'all. On his birthday. Maybe he really has valid reasons to, like, get right through it. But no wonder. No wonder he is mad on his special day. But yeah, maybe Jennifer is right. Maybe Jennifer is right all along. Maybe Jennifer is right. He really still has feelings for what do you call this, for Jack. Although at least Tony knows that he doesn't have any chance yet. He's still holding on to the fact that maybe I still have a chance. chance. Maybe I still have a second chance to do so. I mean, who knows? Who knows what will happen, basically, eventually. You know. But that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 5 of Sashes and Hearts. That was a pretty interesting episode because we got to see more characters who are so annoying, like Jennifer, for example, very maarte. And also we're training for the photo shoot. At least Jack is now aware that Thomas had sabotaged him in the first episode. So very interesting. Very interesting that he really got to be mad now, like in this episode rather than in the last episode. I thought he is okay with it, but I guess he is. Yeah, at least he got to forgive, Thomas. But he did mention though that although I've forgiven you, you can't gain my trust that easily, which is good because at least he knows that he has to protect himself. He has to take care of himself to not get hurt again. And I feel for him. I really, really feel for him. I do hope that Thomas won't break his heart now because it's not going to be giving, y'all. It is not going to be giving. Also, like, Jin and Jarrett, they're kind of getting closer. Jin is becoming more and more active towards Jarrett, and we love the fact that Jarrett is continuously being entertained with how Jin is flirting with him, so I guess good for him. But we will see how the relationship will take further in the coming episodes because I really, really love them. They're just so, so cute. They really deserve the world. But goddamn, like, going back to Tony though, is he really holding or clinging onto the fact that maybe he still has a chance? You know? I mean, technically, Thomas and Jack aren't a thing yet, so maybe he still has a chance. But only at this point, only Jack will be able to decide whether or not he'll be accepting Tony's feelings or not. Because at this point, with their flirting, with them being besties, it seems as though that it's giving an opportunity. It's creating chances for Tony to really go with it and like feel the jealousy that he's really having. Because goddamn, Tony is really getting jealous and jealous and jealous every single time someone is meddling with Jack. But we'll see. We'll see how they're gonna handle the situation, how Tony is gonna be handling it, and how things will push through. And towards like the last part of the episode, it's unfortunately that really happens not just in the pageantry but also in the entertainment industry. Like those old gay men or old people, like sexualizing, harassing young talents to get money, to satisfy themselves. The fact that Lemuel is very confident on exploiting him though, like, oh my god, Jack, you need to get away from Lemuel, because Lemuel is not to be trusted. He is not to be trusted. But unfortunately, that is getting normalized. I mean, I remember like those latest new articles here in the Philippines, I'm not gonna name names though, but an actor getting harassed at like a TV network's gala by like 2 directors, I believe, or 2 producers who are much older than him. And some other local news here back in the past about getting harassed, getting exploited, getting extorted. So it doesn't just happen in the pageantry, but also in the entertainment industry. And the reality sucks that they get to be extorted and exploited for the sake of gaining power and money. So I do hope though that Jack will find a way to get away from it, because his life and his career is in danger, y'all. As much as he deserves to become Mr. Universe International, his life is at stake here. So we will see how they're gonna handle all of this in the next episode, in the coming episodes. We will see how everything will turn out, if karma will bite their ass in the next episode. But that will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to episode 5 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you're watching this on YouTube or my Patreon, if you guys satisfied, give us a huge thumbs up for hearts and tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know with us in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 6 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. I know that the current NBL is just an R-rated content, so stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, to so to speak, thank you all so much for watching and see y'all next time. Bye-bye! Maraming pong salamat!